السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. اللهم اجعل القرآن ربيع قلوبنا ونور صدورنا اللهم آمين. So we are going to start our today's session. We are almost at the end of the course, and nowadays we are just looking at some important rules or guidelines or some rules which are left over. So we are trying to cover those, and we use these all concepts frequently while we are translating the different verses of Quran. So similarly, when we start this course, the concept is started that the word, Arabic word, has three types. Like it can be harf, it can be ism and verb. And then we have spent a lot of time by studying the verb, that there is a starting verb, and we just derive from that verb the multiple, the fi'lul madi, mudare, amar, nahi, and from the same verb we derive two of the ism like ismul fa'il and ismul maf'ul. And we also studied that there is always a central noun that is called masdar, from which everything will be derived. And during that practice, like fail sulasi mujarrid, fail sulasi mazid, fihi, we always start with the verb, and we did the practice for madi, mudare, amar, nahi, and we did level 1, 2, and 3, and we enhanced our Quranic vocabulary as well. And we see there that two of the important ism also part of that verb, ismul fa'il and ismul maf'ul. They are basically, they are derived from the same verb from which we derive the madis, mudare, amar, nahi, and then we have ismul fa'il and ismul maf'ul. Like fa'ala, it is showing action, he did, but ismul fa'il, the one who does, and ismul maf'ul, which is the thing which is being done. Similarly, like ja'ala, he made, and ismul fa'il, the ism, the noun here, the part is the one who makes, and maj'ul, the thing which is from which it is being made. Ja'il maj'ul, like rafi'un marfu', alimun ma'lum. So it's mean that these verbs are derived from the same verbs, from starting verb. And this derived is called, basically derived nouns are called al-asma'ul mushtaqqa, derived nouns. And there are 5 or 6 derived nouns. Out of those two, we already know that the ismul fa'il and ismul maf'ul we already did. So from today, our topic is about al asma'ul mushtaqqa, derived nouns. Mushtaqqa mean derived. So they are derived from the verb. And how many derived nouns? It starts from ismul fa'il. When we say ismul fa'il and ismul maf'ul, we have no problem. We know that what they are. Whenever we start with any verb like alima, alimun, ma'lum, wahaba, wahibun. Similarly, wajada, wajidun, mawjud. And similarly, like fataha, fatihun, maftuhun. So they are ismul fa'il, ismul maf'ul, and other we use the other remaining these derived noun. They are derived. They are actually, they are mahuz, derived noun. Al asma'ul mushtaqqa, like ismul mubalagha, ismul tafdil, ismul sifa, ismul zarf, and ismul ala. It is same like that when we take one any verb like fataha means he opened, but we know that from that fataha we derived fatahu, fatahta, fatahtum, 6. Similarly, yaftahu, yaftahuna. The actual starting verb was fataha, but we are deriving madi and mudare, amar nahi, and their meanings get changed. Similarly, ism, when The ism, when we derive this ism, ismul fa'il, we know that what is the meaning. But actually, fataha, fatihun, maftuhun is from the same category, but its meaning it will be different. To make the difference of, they are making difference of different meaning, like ismul mubalagha, ismul tafdil. They are the same. From one verb, we are deriving ismul fa'il, ismul maf'ul, mubalagha, ismul tafdil, ismul sifa, ismul zarf, ismul ala. Terminologies are not important, but we see that when we use these derived nouns, their meaning gets changed. How? Like already I know told you that, like fataha, fatihun, maftuhun, they are both from the same family, fatihun, maftuhun, but their meaning is different. So for others, we use these while we were doing the translation and apply all everything. But just we will just review these things, that what is Ismul Mubalagha, what type of its shapes it will be, and Ismul Tafdil as well. So we will start with Ismul Mubalagha from here, because we already know about Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul. Ismul Mubalagha is basically, it is showing the intensity of, when you want to show some intensity, um, a little intensity, that is called basically ismul mubalagha, the intensity. How? So from ismul mubalagha, it shows the intensity of the meaning. So it describes the great intensity and extreme quality of the noun, like how fatihun, the one who opens. Ismul maf'ul will be maftuhun, the thing which is being opened. And at the same time, when I use from fatihun as fattahun, the one who opens a lot, the one who opens a lot, fattahun. So fattahun does not mean that the one who opens, the one who opens a lot, like wahhab, the one who grants a lot, rahman. So all these we already know that, but they are called ismu mubalagha, which they are showing the intensity of the noun or extreme quality of the noun. They are called ismul mubalagha. This is the only concept that we should remember after ismul fa'il, ismul maf'ul, and ismul mubalagha. Good thing we already use them a lot in while doing different practices. So similarly, like alimun, it is ismul fa'il, the one who knows. And instead of alimun, if we use allamun, so what will happen here? It will show the intensity or extreme quality of alim. It is the one who knows. But the one who knows a lot, same alimun becomes allamun. So when it comes allamun, we know that it is alima, he knew, alim, the one who knows, allam, the one who knows a lot. So there are different patterns of isma mubalagha, like fa'alun, fa'ilun. We see these all pattern. Fa'ulun, fa'ulun, or fa'lan. Just look at these examples. They're like ghaffar, sattar, ghafir, ghaffar, hamil, hammal, كاذب كذاب, كبير كبار, واهب وهاب, صادق صديق. So similarly, subuhun, qudusun, ghafurun, rahmanun, farhanun. All this is Rahman, Ghafur, Wadud, Al Quddus, Siddiq, Alam. So they are not the normal noun. They show these all words. We already know that, like Razza, Razik, the one who provides. What will be the meaning of Razzaq? The one who provides a lot. So what is the difference between Razik and Razzaq? Both are noun. But Razik is just ismul fa'il. It is also one of the derived noun. But Razzaq is another ismul derived noun, that is called ismul mubalagha. But what is the difference? Razik, the one who provides, and Razzaq will be the one who provides a lot. So it shows the intensity and extreme quality. This is the only thing that we can remember, that always there are different patterns. We know that they comes in like this, in fa'al pattern: jabbar, sattar, ghaffar, hammal, kazzab. Kazib, just Kazib, the one who lies. Kazzab, the one who lies a lot. So And similarly, how it is used in Quran, we already know that. Istaghfiru rabbakum innahu kana ghaffara. He forgives a lot. Qayyum, Razzaq, Ghadban, Sabbar. There is one Sabir, Sabbar, Shakir, but Shakur, it is Ghafur, Wadud. All these are Ismul Mubalagha. So, what we have to remember from this overall slide that we learned derived nouns. They are derived from the verb. And the first, there are six. The first one is Ismul Fa'il. We already know that. No need to say it again here. We did a lot of practice about these two derived nouns, Ismul Fa'il, Ismul Maf'ul. And Ismul Mubalagha, we use it. We use it a lot that its meaning change. But what is that? It shows the intensity or extreme quality. And what are the example? We should know some example like Ghaffar, Kabbar, Kubbar, Al-Qayyum, Al-Razzaq. And we see that the name of characteristics of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they are in Ismul Mubalagha. Ar-Rahman, uh, Al-Qayyum, Ar-Razzaq, Ar-Ghadban. The second type of derived noun is called Ismul Tafdil, that we used a lot also, but that is Ismul Tafdil. Tafdil means preference. Basically, it is giving more, it is giving priority or more preference. That is called Ismul Tafdil. And we know that the example. Let's start from Jamil. Jamil, we know that it is what? Is it a derived noun or not? Saad, can you please tell me about Jamil? Is it derived noun?
Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
Jamil, no.
Why? How you can derive Jamil? Where we can fit Jamil in the table?
Jamilun, like Ajmala Yajmilu.
There is no Ajmala Yujmilu.
No, sorry. Jamilun,
Where we can fit Jamil in the table.
it can
And
be
let me
Masdar.
tell you one thing. It is derived noun. Now tell me that what type of derived nouns Jamil it?
اسم التفضيل.
No.
Oh
You
no,
know?
Jamil, اسم المبالغة.
No.
No?
Here, what is the meaning of Jamil here?
Jamil, beautiful.
Is it showing any intensity?
No,
So, will it be Mubalagha?
no.
No. So, can you please tell me about just Jamil? Where Jamil is? Just tell me the derived noun. What are the derived noun? The first one is?
اسم الفاعل and then
Second one?
اسم المفعول.
Third one?
اسم المبالغة.
And the fourth one?
اسم التفضيل.
Okay, let's say four we have. Ismul fa'il is it is not. You already said from the meaning we see it is not the Ismul Mubalagha.
Yes.
Okay. And tafdeel, I already told you that it is showing preference. It is not showing that. So it is let me tell you, either it is fa'il or maf'ul.
Then it is maf'ul.
No. You know the Jamil, for example, Jamil is used, okay, Jamil is used in the Quran, okay? Our first question will be, can you please tell me from which chapter this Jamil is? Okay, let's start from the chapter.
Uh, Jamala yajmulu.
Jamil. And you know that we also used it for that Jamula Yajmulu. Okay, Failul Amr will be
Jamala yajmulu. Jamlun.
Ujmul,
Ujum. Ujum.
Ukrum,
Ukrum.
Karuma Yakrumu. And then we did that chapter, especially this Bab Karuma. When we go to Ismul Fa'il, it is on the weight of Fa'il, and that is basically Ismul Sifa, like Kareem, Fa'il, that is on the weight of Fa'il. So Jamil, Sharif, Kareem, they are used in Ismul Fa'il, but that is Ismul Sifa. It is showing the characteristics of the noun. That is also one of the um, derived noun. So here Jamil is, we know that where it fits there, but it is on the ismul file, but it is the characteristic. So it is ismul sifa of that. Here, the second thing the Jamil mean beautiful, but what will be the ismul tafdil for that? And that will be
Aj
ajmalu. What is
Ajmalu,
ajmalu means?
more beautiful.
And the feminine of ajmalu will be?
Jumla,
It is for more beautiful here.
yes.
Similarly, if I tell you here Kareem, so what will be here?
Akramu,
Akramu.
and
Okay. Here I will tell you Azim.
uh, Azim,
Azim means?
Azim means great.
Okay. So what will be here?
Azamu,
Azamu.
Azamu,
Azamu.
Azamu, right? Azamu.
And the feminine of Azamu will be?
Uzam,
Uzma.
Uzma.
Okay. Kabir.
Kabir, big, and then Akbaru, bigger. Kubra, bigger for feminine.
Bigger for. So what is this Ajmal? What is this Akbar? Ashraf? What are those?
اسمه التفضيل.
Ismu tafdil. Sorry. So they are ismu tafdil. Similarly, Saghir. So what will be ismu tafdil here?
الصغر and الصغرى.
Ismu tafdil will be?
الصغر, smaller, and then صغرى, which is for
Will be.
feminine.
So Asgharu and Sughra both are?
اسمه التفضيل.
Akbaru Kubra is both are?
اسمه التفضيل.
Ajmalu Jumla?
اسمه التفضيل.
Ismu tafdil. Okay, like let's say Rahima. Rahima means?
Rahima means he was merciful.
Okay, what is Ismul Fa'il for that?
Rahimun.
Rahimun. And what is Ismu Tafdil?
اسمه التفضيل راhimun. Arhamu.
Arhamu. Rahimun means?
Rahimun, the one who is merciful.
Okay, so this is
اسمه
Ismul Fa'il. And Ismu Tafdil will be?
اسم التفضيل would be أرحم.
Meaning?
More
More merciful. What is Ismu Mubalagha for that then?
اسم المبالغة الرحيم.
No, Rahim is
Rahman.
Rahman. Rahim is also derived noun, but that is
But that
Ismu
is
Sifa. Okay, Rahman. So that is the best example to understand. Rahima, okay, starting word. Rahimun. Arhamu. Okay, and then Rahman. And also it has the Sifa, that is Rahim. Thank you, sir. For Ismu Tafdil, whenever this Ismu Tafdil will come, it is on the pattern of Af'alu, Ajmalu, Akbaru, Asgharu, Arhamu. And similarly, they are feminine as well. It can be used for superlative and comparative purpose. How to use in superlative and comparative purpose? Add al before ismu tafdil, so it will become superlative. Start again from here. Ajmalu, more beautiful. But when I put al before that, so meaning will not be more beautiful. Meaning will be most beautiful. And this is not mubalagha. This is called superlative. So when the concept of superlative, comparative, this ismu tafdil is used for superlative, and also it is used for comparative purpose. How ismu tafdil can be used as superlative? We have to put al before that. Number one, we have to put al before that, so it will become superlative. Like ajmalu, more beautiful, but al ajmalu, most beautiful. Like okay. The second thing will be when ismu tafdil will be used as mudaf, then the meaning will not be just simple. The meaning will be superlative. Like ahsanu means good. But when this ahsanul kitabi, this is mudaf ilay. So it's mean this ahsanu, it is used as it is ismu tafdil, and this ismu tafdil is used as mudaf. So ahsan will not be meaning will be good. It will be superlative. So ahsanul kitabi, best of the book. Actually, ahsan is not. Ahsan is ismu tafdil, meaning good. But when it is used as, when we put al before that, or this ismu tafdil is used as mudaf, then its meaning will, it is used, it is basically superlative. Ahsanul kitab, best of the book. So this is the second concept. Brother Tamur, can you please repeat this concept, please?
Assalamu alaikum
Alaikum
warahmatullahi.
salam. How to make ismu tafdil superlative?
There are two ways to make superlative. First is to add alif lam before the
Ismu
ismu
tafdil.
tafdil, and second is ismu tafdil is mudaf in mudaf ilayh construction.
So it will be superlative. Okay. So when we put al before ismu tafdil, not with other, just ismu tafdil before ismu tafdil, if there is al, it's mean it is superlative. Ismu tafdil is used as mudaf, so it will be superlative. And another important, sharrun and khairun can be used as ismu tafdil. Like here, Laylatul Qadri khairum min. Khair, and then after that it is min is used, so this will be ismum. Better than, 1,000 month. Okay, now how ismu tafdil can be used for comparative purpose? After ismu tafdil, we put min, then that will be used as comparative purpose. Like akbaru mean bigger, but akbaru min bigger than. In this case, min will not be from. Ajmalu beautiful, but ajmalu min more beautiful. More beautiful. Brother Ahmed,
Yes, alaikum.
can you please teach us this whole ismu tafdil? Let's say you have a task today that you are going to teach ismu tafdil. You are
Okay.
one of the senior student, so you are going to teach this ismu tafdil concept. Go ahead.
Okay. So Ismu Tabdil will be on Fa'il pattern, Jamil,
No, it is
Ajmal,
not fa'il, it is af'alu.
Afalu pattern. Sorry. So Jamil will be Ajmal, and its
Kabir
feminine will
will be,
Kabir will be Akbar, and
and
feminine Kubra. Saghir will be Asghar, and feminine will be Soghra.
so this ajmalu, akbaru, asgharu are
Are Ismu Tafzil, and
similarly
it's a
jumla,
comparative
kubra,
property more.
sughra are also
Ismu Tafzil.
ismu tafdil. These are the feminine of that.
Ji.
Like the best example I always take from rahima. What is fa'il for rahima?
Rahim.
Rahim meaning,
Rahim means the one who is merciful.
okay. What type of derived noun this rahim?
Ismul fa'il.
Okay. What is ismul maf'ul for rahim?
Uh, Rahim marhum.
Marhum. See here we are deriving, all are derived from rahima. Rahim marhum. Now second
Rahim.
thing is ismu tafdil for rahim.
If Ismu Tafzil for Rahim is arham,
Arhamu. So
more,
arhamu means
more merciful.
more merciful. Okay. So what is other use of ismu tafdil?
It can be used as a superlative. It can show a superlative or comparative.
It can be used for superlative and
Comparative.
comparative purpose. So now that we will start how ismu tafdil can be used as superlative, or how we can make ismu tafdil superlative.
Yes, if we add al before Ismu Tafzil, it will become a superlative degree. Like Ajmal will be Al Ajmal for most beautiful.
Ajmalu means
Ajmalu means more beautiful,
al
but
ajmalu.
most beautiful.
Okay, see here we have three things in front of us: Jamil, Ajmal, al ajmal. Jamil means
Jamil means beautiful.
beautiful. This is on fa'il pattern, and all these are characteristics. Okay, and ajmalu means
Ajmalu means more beautiful.
al ajmalu.
Al Ajmal most beautiful.
This is what we have to just differentiate. This is the purpose. Jamil, ajmalu, Al-ajmal. Rahima, Rahim, Marhum, Arham, Rahman, and Rahim. So this is
Rahim.
overall objective of derived noun. Okay. Now second, how ism tabdil can be superlative with the other way. Second thing.
If it is used in mudaf mudaf ilayhi, then since
It is
mudaf
used in mudaf ilay as
as
mudaf or mudaf ilay.
it will use be in mudaf.
If
If
it
it is,
if ism tabdil is used as mudaf, then it will
yes,
be
it would be superlative degree, and
superlative.
it cannot take al. Mudaf cannot take al, so it will be on
But it
mudaf
is meaning will be
superlative.
okay. So can you please explain that concept from here?
So ahsanul kitab would be instead of more
Ahsanu
better,
means
better,
okay.
better, but
Yeah, yeah.
in a mudaf as a mudaf it will be considered as superlative, so it would be best,
Best. So
best of the book.
ahsanul kitabi
Ahsanul kitabi, best of the
meaning
book,
will be
best of the book.
okay. Now, second thing we studied that the ism tafdil can be used as comparative purpose.
Yes, if it is used a min is used with the ismu
After
tafdil,
ism tafdil, if we put min, then it will be compare. Akbaru meaning
bigger than,
ajmalu means
more beautiful than.
more beautiful than.
जी.
Okay. Asdaqu mean
Asdaqu mean more
truthful than.
truthful than. More truthful.
Asdaqu means
More truthful.
more truthful. Asdaqu mean
More truthful than.
then. So whenever there will be min after ism tafdil, so it will be used, min meaning will be then. And second thing, when ism tafdil is used as mudaf, so it will be superlative. Ahsanul khaliqin. Translation will be
Best of the creator.
best of those who creates.
Best of those who create.
Akbaru mean
Akbaru mean bigger than.
bigger than. Thank you very much, Ya Ustad Ahmed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to finish it here. Inshallah, we will continue it from tomorrow for other derived nouns.